Beef soup. Brown. 3 pounds beef cut into strips. 3 onions. 3 quarts water. Put beef and water into the saucepan and boil for 1 hour. Meanwhile, slice the onions and fry them in butter to a light brown. Drop into the pot with a teaspoon of cloves, half as much pepper, same quantity of mace's pepper, a pinch of allspice, and a teaspoonful of essence of celery, if you cannot get a head of fresh celery. Also, a half a teaspoon of powdered savory or sweet marjoram, and a teaspoonful of Worcestershire sauce. Stew all for 2 hours more, or until the beef has boiled to pieces. Strain the soup and return to the fire. Salt to taste, and just before taking it off, pour in a glass of brown sherry or madeira wine.